In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an embedded form in MailerLite. Embedded forms let you collect subscribers right on your website or landing page and send them straight into your MailerLite account, so visitors can sign up at their own pace and stay connected with your business. We'll start inside your MailerLite dashboard. Head to the Forms tab and click Create Form. Give your form a clear, recognizable name. Choose Embedded Forms as the type, then select Save and Continue. On the next screen, pick the subscriber group you want new signups to be added to. You can target a single group if the form has a specific purpose, or choose all groups if you want to keep things broad. When you're ready, click Continue. You're now in the drag and drop editor, where all the customization happens. Begin with the Settings panel. On the left, you'll see checkboxes for adding elements. Enable just what you need to keep the experience focused, or turn on multiple items if you want to collect more details. Less is often more for conversion, so be intentional here. Next, adjust the global styling to match your brand. You can set a background color or upload a background image. Remember, that background won't appear on the embedded version inside your site, but it will show on the form's unique URL, which we'll access later. Update your title font and fine-tune the size and color for visibility. For the body text, pick a clean, readable font to keep the form approachable. You can also style the fields themselves, including input text, borders, and colors. The same design controls apply to the button, so make it prominent and easy to spot. If you need an extra field, click the edit icon and then select Add on the right. A new field like name will be inserted automatically. To change the field type, click the edit icon again and choose from the drop-down. Use a text area, a drop-down menu, checkboxes, and more. To rearrange fields, grab the 3 horizontal lines on the left and drag them into place. You can also adjust label placement so the label sits above the field instead of inside it. For a seamless look on your site, set the form background to be transparent by typing the word transparent into the background color field. When you're done, click Done Editing. You'll land on the form overview, where you can get the unique URL, jump back into the design, manage recipients, adjust settings, or copy the embed code to connect the form to your website. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and tap the bell for new uploads. Have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.